In a world filled with superfoods and health fads, one humble vegetable often gets overlooked: the radish. Despite its unassuming appearance, the radish packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. From ancient civilizations to modern science, the radish has been revered for its medicinal properties and its ability to promote overall well-being. In this detailed video, we will unveil 10 surprising health benefits of radishes that have been scientifically backed. Prepare to be amazed by the nutritional powerhouse that lies within these vibrant root vegetables. Rich in nutrients, radishes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining good health. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, fights off infections, and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, radishes contain vitamin K, a vital nutrient for blood clotting and bone health. Other essential nutrients found in radishes include vitamin B6, riboflavin, folate, potassium, and manganese, all of which play various roles in supporting overall bodily functions. Digestive health. One of the standout health benefits of radishes lies in their impact on digestive health. Radishes are high in dietary fiber, which aids in regulating bowel movements and promoting a healthy digestive system. The fiber content also assists in preventing constipation and promoting regularity. Moreover, radishes have a natural compound called indigestible carbohydrates that stimulate the production of digestive juices, further enhancing the digestive process. Cancer-fighting properties. Studies have suggested that radishes possess potential cancer-fighting properties. Their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins, may help neutralize free radicals that damage cells and promote cancer development. Moreover, certain compounds in radishes, such as sulforaphane, have demonstrated anti-cancer effects, particularly in preventing the growth of certain cancer cells. Though more research is needed, incorporating radishes into one's diet may be a step towards reducing cancer risk. Cardiovescular health. Radishes can contribute to heart health due to their potassium content, which plays a role in maintaining a healthy heart rhythm and blood pressure. Additionally, the presence of fiber and antioxidants in radishes aids in reducing cholesterol levels and inhibiting the oxidation of cholesterol, both of which are critical factors in preventing cardiovascular diseases. Liver detoxification. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying our bodies. Radishes can support liver health by promoting its detoxification processes. They contain compounds like glucosinolates that help eliminate toxins from the liver, ensuring that it functions optimally. Including radishes in your diet can be an excellent way to support your liver's natural detoxification abilities. Hydration and skin health. Radishes have a high water content, making them a refreshing and hydrating vegetable. Adequate hydration is essential for healthy skin, and consuming radishes can contribute to maintaining skin moisture and preventing dryness. Moreover, the vitamin C in radishes plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Respiratory health. Radishes have been traditionally used to alleviate respiratory issues, such as congestion and sinusitis. The natural pungent flavor of radishes, caused by compounds like isothiocyanates, helps to clear the respiratory tract and promote easier breathing. Additionally, their anti-inflammatory properties may reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, providing relief from conditions like asthma. Bone health. Radishes contain essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining healthy bones. These minerals contribute to bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Additionally, radishes contain vitamin K, which aids in calcium absorption, further supporting bone health. Weight management. If you're looking to shed some pounds, radishes can be an excellent addition to your diet. With their low calorie content and high fiber, they can help you feel full and satisfied while consuming fewer calories. The fiber in radishes slows down digestion, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels and promoting a steady release of energy. Immune system booster. As mentioned earlier, radishes are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known for boosting the immune system. By consuming radishes regularly, you can strengthen your body's defense against infections and diseases, ultimately leading to improved overall health and vitality. In conclusion, the radish is a true nutritional powerhouse, offering a myriad of health benefits that extend far beyond its reputation as a simple salad garnish. From its wealth of essential vitamins and minerals to its potential in fighting off chronic diseases, the radish deserves a place of honor in our diets. Whether you enjoy them raw, pickled, or cooked, incorporating radishes into your meals can be a delightful and healthful addition. So, embrace the radish and unlock its surprising potential to transform your well-being. Let nature's goodness thrive through the incredible radish.